Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we're going to see how to use case statement bash script on Debian 12. The bash case statement is the simplest form of the if, elif, else conditional statement. The case statement simplifies complex conditions with multiple different choices. This statement is easier to maintain and more readable than nested if statements. Check the OS version using following command. Create a file by using following command. Edit the file to create a script using case statement by using following command. Add the shebang line. Echo command. Print us which operating system are you using. Again echo command. Print us Windows, Android, Chrome, Linux, others. Here I am using read command. Type your OS name. Here I am using OS as a variable. Now I am going to create case statement. Here I am using OS variable. Windows, here I am create the class echo command. Print us, that's common. You should try something new. Echo for space purpose. Now close the class by using double semicolon. Android. Again I am going to create the class for Android. Print echo command. Print us. This is my lots of applications. Echo command for space purpose. Close the class by using double semicolon. Again I am going to create a class for Chrome. Echo command. Print us cool. It's for pro users. Amazing choice. Echo command for space purpose. Close the class by using double semicolon. Again I am going to create a class for Linux. Don't give the space. echo command for printers. You might be serious about security. Echo command for space purpose. Close the class by double semicolon. Again create the class even star for other input. Echo command printers sounds interesting. I will try that. Echo command for space purpose. Close the class. Close the statement by using reverse case. Save and quit the file. Give the executable permission to the script file by using following command. Check the executable permission by using following command. The executable permission has been changed. Now run the script file by using following command. Here you can give the OS name. I am giving Windows. Here you can able to see the argument, that is where we are giving to the Windows class. Again I am going to run the script file by using following command. Now I am going to given Linux OS. Now you can able to see the argument, that where I am given the script Linux class. The case statement script has been created.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.